In this video, I'll be mainly talking about Sophos XT Firewall. My name is Amjad Ali and I'm enterprise IT enthusiast, digital transformation and business intelligence expert. I have created sync bricks to talk about enterprise IT, general IT, home lab, gadgets, tips and tricks, and a lot more. If this sounds interesting to you, hit the like button, click the subscribe and press the bell icon. So let us continue the video. Sophos is a world leader in IT security and data protection. Sophos has various commercial products and services. If you want to implement Sophos in your business, then you can only go for the commercial products because Sophos is not open source. In this video, I'll be mainly talking about Sophos XT Firewall, and it is available at no cost for home users for up to 50 IP addresses. I was earlier using pfSense at my home, but I recently upgraded to Sophos. So why I use Sophos? Sophos has helped me to increase the internet bandwidth. Then protecting kids' web surfing habits, it is very important, and I can easily do that using Sophos. And it has solved various spam filtering and spam email problems. And I can access my home network from anywhere. Of course, VPN, built-in VPN features have really helped me a lot. Various viruses that were coming from the websites, applications, and emails. And I'm able to stop that with the help of Sophos at the gateway level only. Sophos is very popular around the world. It is being highly adopted, especially in UAE, Germany, Switzerland, Kenya, South Africa, Australia, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, Japan, Nigeria, India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, United Kingdom, and many other countries. Sophos is very popular. Now, if I talk about the modules, so you will see in your menu items, rules and policies are available, network protection, web protection, application control, and then you have the email protection where you can control your spam, and web server protection. So user portal is available where you can configure the users and give access to the users. So let us talk about ease of use. Home edition is easy to install and similar to other systems that I discussed previously. So deployment is simple. You can run the setup wizard, and on completion of wizard, predefined intrusion prevention system, web apps, traffic shaping, policies, and all other aspects will start automatically. So you can then customize it based on your network needs or based on your host needs. Common deployment scenarios are already configured in policies. System is very powerful, so you can monitor on real time who is using what. Reports are also available where you can see everything in detail and you can apply various filters. Centralized management is of course available for the business users. So it is not required for the home appliance. As I told you, it is not an open source software, which means that nothing is available for free, but home users can get up to 50 IP addresses for free. So home products are limited, but business products are all about the complete protection. So Sophos is one of the top ranking companies in Magic Quadrant by Gartner. There are various versions and appliances based on the home and personal use. For businesses, there are plenty of systems available, so you can choose whatever fits your need. So what is missing here? It is free for home users only. So it is not open source. Even free for home also has some key features missing. What are your thoughts? Please let me know in the comment section below.
If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to give me feedback or if you have any comments, please type those in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification immediately whenever I upload any video. So see you in next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.